Alright, we've got the second section made. That's been just cleaned up a bit, welded up, fully welded of course, you can see all of that. Now there was a slight difference. I had to clean up a bit more from inside there in the edges because there was a slight difference on the actual arm. That arm there was slightly off skew. Anyway, what we're going to do is, well, there's a bit of shade, I'm sorry about that, but if we go like that, put that in there like so, and as you can see it goes straight on, and there we go, voila, we got that section on and that one on now. Now where the next step is to come back to this bucket here and clean up all of the welds and everything, and then we'll set it up, get it ready for fitting. Well, we've got our two gussets of the joiners welded on there now. That's one was got a fairly heavy weld on that, of course. Same with that one. And as we move around, which is the actual main thing we're really looking at, is that is the unit that I've been working on. That's all welded on now. It's got a fairly heavy weld. I had a bit of a problem down the bottom here. There was a slight crack in there, so I've had to go around and re-weld it and build it up and stuff like that. But anyway, as you can see, that's pretty well right on there now. And yeah, it's just a matter of now I'll grab the bucket, or the Bobcat now. Alright, now we've got the bucket on the actual machine now. As you can see, that is a cut away here. Right, that one there, that's where I'm going to be cutting gussets out. So I'll be using that as a rake, as I said. So your bucket's there, just to show you how it's all joined up. So we've got our arm here, which goes down to there. Then that actually connects onto the swivel arm here, and that section there, which is the 4140, that goes into the half round holder on the top, and that is a bolt down the bottom. And so what happens is, I have to get some proper clips for it, but if you see down here, there we go, yep, you see the bolt coming through, and so that'll be going through like that. So that's pretty well straightforward. There we go. I'll just show you how the actual bucket works. That will conclude our video. I hope you've enjoyed it.